What kind of information do you have on the economic payments that public health is
I
putting out?
just I just want to tell the listeners, Chris. I really cannot say the detailed about this economic impact, but I just want to tell everyone that this has been ongoing, and they can visit a website for this to them to apply or to know about this thing, or they can call the call centers for this. And I can give them the website is the www.guamtax.com, and the number to call if they have to inquire about this, if they haven't applied this, is 635-1840 to 4142 to 57.
And this is for the stimulus, right, Rachel?
The
The,
local one.
the economic impact,
Wait.
the economic impact payment.
Oh,
Okay.
so this is the federal
The
one.
federal stimulus,
The federal.
right? Yeah.
And this
Okay.
also, they can also email to Guam EIP at revenueandtax.guam.gov. So that's are all this that I can say about this, so that those who have been trying to reach about this or to know about this, if they haven't received it yet, so they can ask question about that. And of course, about the updates for the DRT, that they are now started operational on Monday, and their main office at the Barrigada is only for certain cases or by services by appointment only, but their driver's license and the Guam ID is situated, or it can be done at the Aganya Shopping Center satellite office. So they can also call center the 635-1840-4142 as previously mentioned by me, and they can call or through the web, or they can go into the website to ensure what they are asking about the DRT, and they can email also at the pinadmin@revenueandtax.guam.gov.
Right.
And of course, I would like to also mention about the yeah, this is the executive order extension for disaster relief program. This is what we are trying to say.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah,
programa na Zurani Tauta Bonelos Dogo.
Yes, and this has been extended up to June 12 of 2020. So those who haven't had applied yet, they can go up to June 12, 2020. An application is downloaded. It can be downloaded at dphs.guam.gov .guam.gov. Sorry, and it's available also at the respective mayor's office if they want to have that. And they can send the application to public assistance at dphss.guam.gov, or they can drop it at the box at the drop box at the Castle Mall, situated at Castle Mall room 16 at Mangilaw, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday to Friday, excluding holidays. So if you want to avail on that, the Executive Order 2020-15, it is a relief program. It's extended up to June 12, 2020. And you can go into all those stuff, as I mentioned, download the application, and
Right.
and of course, yeah. And of course, I just want to do also mention also the JEDA for those small businesses impacted by the coronavirus 19, that they can also apply for this pandemic assistance grant, and they can see their eligibility through the website also, which is www.investguam.com/smallbusinesses, or an application is accepted via email, which is the small business at investguam.com, or they can call the JIDA help desk, which is 647-4338. And of course, one more thing that I would like to tell the public, which is I know I've been trying to know or learn about this, is the Office of the Vital Statistics. Yes, for birth, marriage certificate, that they are only requires appointment for now.
Okay.
And this is to ensure that social distancing is applied. All birthing facility, just as Guam Memorial Hospital, Sagwa, Maniago Birthing Center, that they have to provide contact at the birth certificate the birth certificate for both parents or one parent before registering the new birth, so that the Office of the Vital Statistics staff can notify them when their birth certificates are ready or to make appointment to pick it up. So it is located at Run Care Building, and you can call 727-5246 or contact Maria Kinata 638-4508 or 09, or email her at maria.kinata@dphs.com.gov.
And
this
that's
is
for
important.
vital statistics. So if
But
anybody out there wants to get married, it's by appointment
yes,
only.
yes. Yeah, the walk-in is only for death certificate actually.
Okay.
But for birth certificate, marriage certificate, and marriage license, they have to do the one that I'm mentioning, that they
Okay.
have to. Yeah, and then also there is one more thing: the reopening of the Department of Environmental Health and the Health Processing Center section. So this is the issue for the health certificate, which been begin limited operation since 5/21/2020, which will begin operational, or they will begin doing this on this Thursday. So the temporary site will be at the Environmental Public Health Lab at Dededo, and this will be open at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. And you know what? There are at least 7,000 individuals waiting for submission for new and renewal for this health certificate. And to process this, the processing center section is doing this by phase by phase. So phase 1 will focus, number 1, on individuals seeking new health certificate for employment at regulated establishment approved to operate during the pandemic condition of readiness 2. And what are these? What are these establishments? They are the food facilities, the dry cleaners, and the laundromat, and certain cosmetics establishments. And number 2, individuals who possess interim health certificate waiting to pass food safety course. Acceptance during this phase is only be done during scheduled dates. So there are dates that you have to know, and this is based on the last name of the applicants. So phase 2 is those who are seeking to renew the health certificate on the same establishment as above I mentioned. And the phase 3 is the health certificate, all other categories that will be accepted. So with this, the public will be notified when the phases or the transition of these phases from one phase to another to the next will be notified to the public. So application not scheduled during these categories, or as I mentioned, or phases as I mentioned. And the categories not currently approved are the tattoo shops, institutional facilities, the massage establishment will not be accepted or will not be entertained. So there will be an open application for those who miss their respective dates, and will continue indefinitely until all applicants become manageable. And the reminder that the currently employed food facilities without health certificate authorized by the department from April 8, 2020 will need to apply for health certificates on their scheduled date, as their waiver now has been canceled. And health certificate application available online. So it's available at dphss.wam.gov/division-of-environment-health/ or and download it before arriving to the facility. And there will be a fee of 25, 10 for health certificate, and 15 for the test. And exact amount is only accepted via cash or check, no credit at this time. For the interim food safety health certificate training course, only tests will be administered, and this also is available. The course presentation is available online or in website the PHS is guam.gov/DAH dash study manual slash. So renewing applicants scheduled to attend the Refresher Food Safety Health Certificate training course from March 16, 2020 to April 24, 2020. Their certificate continue to be valid until further notice. Permanent health certificate, all categories that have expired since February of 16 of 2020 or will be expiring soon will continue to be valid until further notice. So for question, contact DAH 300 9579 or email dphs dash dah@dphs.com.gov. So to maintain social distancing when you are going there for this DH application, only scheduled applicants will be allowed to enter the facility. No accompanying members will be allowed. If you have COVID-19 symptoms, do not enter. Wear face masks. Applicants needing special accommodation must call at least 2 days prior at 300 9579 and dress appropriately for the weather because you might be waiting. Your waiting area might be at the parking lot.
Right, Rachel, can you just clarify this? The certificates, the health certificates. You said that if they expired or need to be renewed, they need starting tomorrow. People can go to Dededo, but
yes,
call first and schedule an appointment.
Remember that the only one that it's being phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and these are all. And the phase 1 starting tomorrow. This will be those individuals seeking new health certificate for employment.
Okay.
Yes, like food facility, dry cleaners, laundromat, certain cosmetic establishment.
Rachel, how long does each phase last?
How long is?
Yeah, so the first phase is people seeking new health certificates. Is that just going to be for tomorrow, or are we moving to another phase?
As I mentioned, public will be notified when this transition from one phase to the next.
I see. So right now we're just doing new health certificates.
Yes, and then phase 2 it will be the renew health certificate, and this will be based on their tomorrow will be based on their last name. So that's why I'm telling them to at least go to the website or call the Department of Environmental Health 300 9579 or email or go to the website. Yes.
Where on the website do we find it? Under Division of Environmental Health?
Yes. I mentioned it earlier. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm on the website right now. And
DPHSS guam.gov/DAH dash study manual dot slash. Yes, they can go into that, or they can go into also the dphs.guam.gov/division dash of dash environmental dash
I'm here.
health slash. Okay, that's it. That's the website.
You know, I'm here. I'm just trying to figure out what do I click after I go to their Division of Environmental Health. Sanitary application, health education presentation.
Yeah, application and instruction, Sabrina. Application and instruction, yeah. Available online, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
Are you gonna
get application and instruction? Yes.
Are you gonna get a health certificate, Bree? Or something
No,
I should
but
know?
I think as we start to reopen restaurants for dine-in service,
Right.
people are going to want to know.
That's why it's really needed that for them to know all this stuff, to when and who, where what day, who will be accepted right now.
So where's this schedule at for the explaining the phases?
Actually the schedule it depends on their last name. On their last name and
but is there some sort of guidance from public health or a press release that lets the public know?
Like whose last name are we doing tomorrow, Rachel?
Okay. Hold on. If you want me, I can actually I have all the what you call that, all the
Is that up on the website? What letter we're gonna do tomorrow?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
It's on
Okay,
the
yeah,
website.
we'll look for it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
If
in
it's
the
on the
website.
website, that's fine.
Yeah, it's in the website. Actually, it's in the JEC. It's in the JEC 131, 132. That you can open that, and then you can see that, and you can see how
I can see it. Yeah, I can see it.
yeah.
131.
Yeah, in the schedule, right? You can see the schedule, all the schedules, all the schedules, when to go and what is the letters of the last name. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm assuming, are we starting with letter A tomorrow, Rachel?
Yes, ma'am. Because it's the date, right? It's the first date.
Right. Yeah. Just checking. Just making sure. So A to what? Is it just letter A, or is it letter A to?
I really my computer is not.
It's okay, I got it. May 21st. It's last
Yes.
name starting with AA through
Yes,
AI.
Yes, yeah, that's correct, Sabrina.
Okay. So tomorrow, Mr. Aardvark can go get his
Yes.
health certificate.
And then the next day will be another letter.
Right, AJ to AT. We'll post this
I
up.
got it. Thank you, Rachel, so much.
Yeah. So I'm sorry I don't have that with me right now, but that's all I can tell
We
you.
got it.
That it's based on the letter of their last name.
Yeah,
We got it.
No problem.
Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you more.
No, thank you more. And until next time, and wish you to be safe always. Take extra precaution. Be safe always. Practice, of course, all those preventive measures that we've been mentioning. As always, we're doing amazing job in the island actually. So
You're doing amazing, Guam.
You're doing amazing.
You're doing amazing, Guam.
we can overcome all. We can overcome all this together as we come in hand and work together.
But not hand in hand, because 6 feet away.
Yeah, and we're all in this together.
Right. Yeah.
So just a reminder for everyone, just visit our website, the Department of Public Health and Social Services. You can open our website and you can see a lot of information, all those things that we have been mentioning. It's in there. So you can just open the www.dphs.guam.gov and they can open go into our website. And they can just open about the COVID-19.
Thank you, Rachel.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you, Sabrina. Have a good day, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, and I'll text you. We'll talk again next week, okay? When if the restaurants reopen, and you could give us some more guidance on that.
Because right now it's only like takeout.
Right? Yeah. It's rapidly evolving, though, Rachel. It could change.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are slowly and gradually we are doing that, so that we're still looking how to prevent and to slow the spread of the COVID.
Right.
And totally we will be zero. So that's what we are trying to do right now. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you. How's your coffee? How's your coffee, Rachel?
Have a good day to you guys.
Okay. Enjoy your coffee.
care.
Okay.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you.
That's our girl Rachel there from the Department of Public Health Social Services. She's one of those people that's really long goodbye when you're trying to hang up the phone. But remember, one of the things she said was marriage certificates, birth certificates, by appointment only. So if any of you guys needed an out on getting married, there it is right there. They got to make an appointment. They're probably backed up till next year. All right, 7:21. So we'll get all that info out there, but that's something new for you guys. Health certificates, new health certificates will be entertained tomorrow at Public Health. There's a number. Bree, did you also have that info on the Sorry to Blind?